Today, I'll speak about one of the biggest questions in language learning. How much listening is enough, and when should you start speaking? If you've been listening for months but still feel silent, this one is for you. Listening is the first step in every language. When you listen, you learn rhythm, melody, and structure. But if you only listen and never repeat, it's like watching rain through the window but never stepping outside. Listening builds understanding, speaking builds connection, and you need both. At the beginning, it is enough just to listen. The brain needs some time to recognize sounds, words, and sentences. But then comes the moment when you feel, I know what you said, but I can't say it myself. And that's the sign that it's time to speak. You don't need to know many words, few are enough. And if you use them often, you're on a good track. You hear the sentence, danas je lijepo vrijeme. Repeat it. Change one word. Danas je ružno vrijeme. So don't copy, transform. That's when passive learning becomes active listening. And if you wait for the perfect moment to start speaking, I can tell you right away, it will never come. Perfect doesn't exist. Only today does. So speak while you're still learning. Speaking creates learning. And remember, no one was born speaking any language without mistakes, let alone Croatian. Not even me. So, first, listen carefully, then speak a little but often. Okay, listening fills you, but speaking frees you. So you don't need to listen for months before you speak. You just need to notice and repeat. And that's how your brain builds bridges between sound and expression. In my 4-pillar method, listening and speaking grow together. Grammar gives structure, vocabulary gives words, pronunciation gives flow, and culture gives meaning. If you want to learn how to use listening to unlock speaking, join my free masterclass. You have a link to it below this video. In it, I'll show you how to move from passive input to confident expression step by step. Vidimo se tamo!